You don't realize the impact a company like Samsara makes until you start working in this industry.
We're making the lives of people in critical industries easier. That's people who keep the lights on, who keep food in our grocery stores, and who just keep the world moving.
Our most successful reps want to be number one, and they are focused and disciplined.
You get in early, start making some calls to your prospects, dig into some account research, figuring out what's the best way I can make calls or do outreach.
Always try to stay up to date with my AEs and the accounts that we're focusing on, and just put ourselves in the best position to generate revenue.
One of the most exciting things about being an ADR at Samsara is the clear and accelerated path for growth. Those with no prior sales experience typically start as an inbound ADR. Those who already have some sales experience start as an ADR2 in an outbound role. After 9 months of successfully hitting your number as an outbound rep, you get an automatic promotion to ADR3. Most reps are promoted to an account executive role between 12 and 18 months.
Most ADRs typically want to become AEs, but there's a lot of different routes you can take. Some people go into renewals, other people have become ADR managers.
Many of the top performing AEs and some of our leaders in the highest segments got their start as an ADR.
I've never really felt so prepared for the next role anywhere else besides Samsara.
The Phoenix office is an incredible place to work. Everybody here is highly motivated, they're smart, and they're also kind.
Of course, there's some competitiveness, and that's what keeps us, on our toes and always pushing to be better. But at the same time, we all want to see each other win and see everybody cross the line for quota.
We all want to get our job done, but we want to have a good time doing it. The reason I joined Samsara is because even from the outside looking in, there is a measurable impact on the world.
You can't drive down the highway and not see one of our customers or some of our hardware.
This technology is actually saving a lot of people. It alerts them when they are driving unsafely, when they are coming into a possible crash. And it's also exonerating them when they do get in those accidents. Saving those people's lives, saving their jobs, and making sure that they get the credit that they deserve is really powerful.